Hello teacher everyone! Today we are making Kantangpittayakorn, a southern Thai dessert. Let's make with us. Ingredients: glutinous light flour, granulated sugar, shredded coconut, a little salt used for mixing with shredded coconut, food coloring, patent leaf, receipt and method.
Divide the glutinous white flour into 3 equal cups. Pour water, butterfly cream, food coloring, and clean water into each cup of glutinous white flour. Neither ensure the dough does not stick to your hands. Wait to dough for 30 minutes. Cut the brown sugar into small pieces and set aside.
6. Take the dough that we have prepared and form it into the balls. Press the dough flat. Add the filling. The size of the brown sugar will be smaller than the dough. Place it on the dough. Cover the filling completely. Form into balls until the dough is smooth. 7. Place the pot over medium heat. Add clean water. Wait for the water to boil. 8. Form Kantangpittayakorn into balls until all the dough is used up. Wait for the dough to float above the water, indicating that it's cooked, and scoop it up. 9. Wait to drain the water. Mix with coconut. Arrange and serve on a plate, ready to eat. Thanks for watching.
한국이야.